Big up Crosses TV.
Big up yourself, Crosses TV.
Yes, sir, every day she get up, boy. She not mind man and she them have a man and this and that. Bitch, you used to man like dog. You used to pay man for fuck you. If you not have no money now, you're not gonna do it. Look at me, used to get up and say, me not man, me not gonna work hard. Me never have money. But once I can afford to do it, I gotta do it. Bitch, I used to man and pay Andrew for the way and them something the girl. Man like dog. And payment for the wedding. And it depends if you want to send female, send film. I know you don't want to send female, the boy don't want to come to you. She knows if she send film, he might go come and fuck on her like dog. So the embarrassment, she has to spare herself. I don't want to get up and argue with people. I live with a man for 2 years now. We don't have a bills problem, no problem, nothing. We don't have beer problem and we don't have money. I don't have to pay back commissary. I don't have to pay back at thing. Only thing I have to pay unless I got trust something. That's the only thing I have to pay. Blood clots. Barber like dog. Barber and beggar. Beg like she blind. And that the female mix up. And judgment. Them love people business. I eat judgment like pies. I never say a page on me eat so. I eat. That's why look at Kev move from runner card. Look at Kev and sometimes I can't say the child betray her in a car. You know, you go around some people, you think so them are this a type of person and this a type. You don't want to be amongst them. Cause you don't like them energy. This is not bad. I feel too nice, yeah? Yeah, you don't like them energy. You don't want to be amongst them. That's the problem. I probably had that my little child leave. Them energy not good. Them walk and fight against people. Them walk and fight against people for no reason. You can't just get up and fight against people, son. Hate pan people. Yeah, people have them differences. And that's it. But if you and the people them cuss already and it cuss and gone, you don't need to like text upon them every day. And you say you hate them. If me hate somebody, I not text upon them every day. You're crazy. I can't hate somebody and remember you every single day. The woman can't keep her alive and I call my name. Big back. Big back. Mala. Anything you want to call me that not have nothing to do with me. You have money, you big like you're blind. Nothing alright, boy, yo. No, sir. Mighty God. After now. When I come on no life comes scream me crazy. What's with the one? I'm not even like coming upon the life. Thank you. Them complain about the registry. Me not better put up none this year, cause them might give me L. So me not put up none cause I can't take the fight, you understand? I just do my look at thing. And them still a fight me and I can't see somebody look so good. If me see them look good and them go to and look good, me not say no, so she not look good. If I get look good, I get look good. I just get our props. Your fan be a foul, just say this, just say that, just say that, just. Wanna just bad mind. And una don't want to be bad man. Una just make up so. So una can't help it. Cause son create. Una just create for this thing, say. I gotta get up, I gotta hurt somebody no feelings, make them feel bad. It does pain, you know. For to say, yeah, wanna push somebody and the person end up I get better than una are. Not even say get better. I try to do them own thing. Though, me look good for my birthday, the 3 night them. Man, I ask Christ. The 3 night them. Yes, sir, why kill them? Yes, sir, the first dress, them things that was it. That was the birthday. Then whap them in the orange dress. When them see me come out in the orange now, them start shuffle. So them things so that said and done. Then whoop now me come out in the pearl dress. So that keep them busy. So them I wonder when next me I come out with now. Me don't know if you come out here not your time I gotta go on 3 more nights. I'm not sure. Because I'm still tired. More end up, guys, you know me cook Thanksgiving dinner and I don't post it. I cook Thanksgiving dinner and I don't post it. Like, I'm just so tired. You know you're tired, I just want to cook, eat, and go sleep. I was so tired. And the lady who build my cake, oh God. You know, I feel like I'm a tag her in it, though, guys. I feel like I gotta post the cake and tell how you owe me it. Oh. I feel like I gotta tag her in it. The cake was so good. Even the ice upon the cake nice. I think it was vanilla, even though I want it mix. And the cake look like cute. A 6 person would have the dinner and the cake share for the 6 person. Yeah, I put her up and tag her in it bad to bad. Cause the cake cute and tastes nice. And the cake sure going to the 6 away. My 3 other friend them never get for come. But that's alright. Cause at the end of the day, the dinner was to keep on the 21st. And them would already plan for them day there. Thanks, Flavor Nails. It would to keep on the 21st. But the place where me go, so never email me back. I have to wait till the email so I can get for pay for the deposit and so. Them never end up emailing me about my love. So I would have to end up find the next restaurant I know. The restaurant I don't want upon the Monday or the Tuesday them want upon. Yeah. Somebody would have told myself I keep it on the weekend. But reason be why I'm not keep it on the weekend. No, I'm just so tired that I'm never post no food. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep it on the weekend. I don't want like something that gonna be too crowded. Like on weekend the restaurant them I got full on them something there. And like seeing people are gonna come over to you and I just want something quiet with like people I'm associate with every day on the phone. Just a few people. I could have 4 or 5. Just a few friends, like My friend, Jermaine, Popsicum, Cole, Jetta, Dream never come, Wiggy never come, and Alia would have to end up keep the baby. I just stream or somebody, and that's understandable. So, it was okay, just cute, girly. I get to take my picture of them. Even though I'm not get forget them yet for post them or anything. Still I wait on my picture of them. But the boys some end up left him bagging at the Uber. One really per story and also my for the sweet, yeah. He would say he might do them yesterday and send me them back. But I see like he went to last night and probably end up tired. So probably him end up tired, my love. No, them can't make me stop posting. I'm gonna address that. Them can't make me stop post. Sometimes I just wanna be alone. Like sometimes I can't better forget up and I argue. Every day me I argue with the dirty people. I'm gonna eat me come up pretty. Them eat me come up pretty. No matter how them tell me so my back big. No matter how them tell me so my back big. It not stop nothing. Oh God. Now I fix up my house for Christmas. Good. I wonder, I couldn't just get up and eat somebody, so. Cause they don't want to chat to you no more. I never be true, no. I move out. But the people are monotone, like the people are not cheer for me. I want them to hate me so much. Why you guys hate me? Because I don't want to be like, oh no. I don't want to cuss anymore and them some of that. That's why they hate me. Why not upset Pebbles? I'm missing out the request. Wanna eat me. Oh my God, wanna eat me. No, sir. Wanna can't just get up and eat people, sir. Eat me for no reason. Pebbles comment, so can so them say I have to do it, I guess. So comment, girl. Come here, try other doll. I'm gonna send her the request and it not add, yeah. So comment and then we can get for person something. Oh, see that I don't know. What is this? Something. I don't know, yeah. What is just get up? I don't know what the fuck did I handicap Instagram something, yeah. Am I comment? Eat me for no reason. Eat me. For 1 minute, no. I don't know, yeah, girl. Something must be wrong with the Instagram. If we got a dream, them to show the dream car about big. Look at my body, I'm a big and chopped thing. So forever look back. Kinda, that match audio down, but bad. But big, I'm so full of air, my belly big. Look goody man, look good the blood clots. Hey, look goody. I'm a dolphin and a raccoon, thank you lad. My favorite one, look at what would I say now, lizard. No, my favorite one, elephant. I have to use some big things so a big like my elephant. Elephant. At least than a raccoon. Raccoon get too much trouble man and monkey. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So guys, my day here, so. Me not think me I cook today. I'm probably my boyfriend cook. You know what mother eat? Steamed fish with dumpling. Oh my god, sliced fish fry. No, mother eat sliced fish fry and cook down with onion and so with dumpling and banana alone. Oh, that's so cute right now. Fried fish, sliced fish try. Fried, try.